Welcome back, food lovers! I'm Adnana and today's recipe is about these soft and delicious raisin cookies. The steps are very easy. At first you need to add in a large bowl 100 grams unsalted butter at room temperature and combine it with 80 grams powdered sugar and 20 grams brown sugar. Cream together using a spatula at first and then mix using a hand mixer until creamy. Add 1 egg and continue mixing. Add half teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix until well combined. In a small bowl, combine 160 grams all-purpose flour with half teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Incorporate gradually the dry ingredients into the butter mixture and mix until well incorporated. Last but not least, add 75 grams raisins and stir well. Cover with plastic wrap and place the dough in the fridge for 20 minutes. Remove it from the fridge and form the dough using a teaspoon as a measurement. Bake them in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes until golden brown. Remove them from the oven and let them cool before serving. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed my video. With love and gratitude, Adnana.